This video, we're going to see how we can pair and set up the Meshtek astronomical timer. Here I have the astronomical timer which I have connected some load with, and I have the Decor Smart app on my phone. So I'm going to open the Decor Smart app. I'm already logged in. If you need to set up a new account, you can create a new account, and it will bring you to this particular page. First thing to know about the astronomical timer setup is you need to create a new network for this. So to create a new network, we'll simply click on add network, give our network some name. I'm going to say Astro and save. So the network has been created. Now we can go inside the network, and as you can see, there's nothing in this network right now. So we need to search for the Meshtek devices. Here, as you can see, all these options, since we are going to add the astronomical timer, we want to click on astronomical timer. And for adding any devices, as we know that we need to have Bluetooth on and we need to stay as close as possible to the device. So we are within 5 feet of distance to the astronomical timer. So I'm going to click next, and it will start searching the astronomical timer. Generally, the astronomical timer search will take about 5 to 10 seconds. Once it is found, it will show up on the screen. So here it is. So we got the astronomical timer found. Now we need to add this astronomical timer into our account and also set up this astronomical timer. So next we need to create a group. Since I don't have any group on this particular network, I can create a group called Astro Group 1 and create it. Now I can hit next and the pairing process will start. So first step on this is pairing the device to your particular network so nobody else can access it, and also adding this into the server so you can anytime you can use any different device and get your data back. So from this stage we need to do more setup. We'll do next. Since this astronomical timer does not have the latest firmware right now, we need to do the firmware upgrade here. So we have included the firmware upgrade in the setup process itself. So we just need to click on update, and so 20% means it has already downloaded the firmware from the server. Now it will make a connection to the astronomical timer and it will start updating. So as you can see, the light has turned off and the progress has started from 21%, and so it is already sending the new firmware to the astronomical timer. So the firmware upgrade process roughly takes about 35 to 45 seconds depending upon your connection and the distance from the astronomical timer. So in the whole setup process, we recommend keeping your phone about 3 to 5 feet from the astronomical timer. That will give you the best performance and the best connectivity to the astronomical timer, and it will be much faster. So we'll wait for this to complete and then we'll do the next process. All right, here the astronomical timer is updated and the light has also turned on. You can see it on the screen as well. So we'll click next. Here's the setup process for the actual astronomical timer processes. So you need to confirm a couple of things here. Number one is the installation location. Make sure this is the installation location, not your current location. Right now it is showing definitely your current location, but if the installation location is different, then you can change the location, put the zip code right here, and you're good to go. Also make sure that the dawn and dusk time may vary about a minute or two. It depends on the source as well, but they're very accurate. So now we'll hit next once the installation location checked out, and then my phone will start sending a dawn and dusk time for the whole year, which you can use to schedule with respect to dawn and dusk time. and this is also 365 days worth of data. So any schedule you create will obey the dawn and dusk time if you are creating with respect to dawn and dusk time here. So this process will take about 5 minutes. You need to keep your phone same 3 to 5 feet distance. As you can see now, the setup is complete, and we have done the astronomical timer is already added into the group. The dawn and dusk times are fetched from the server and install them on the astronomical timer. So we'll do done. And as you can see on the Astro network, I have one Astro Group 1 astronomical timer added here. So now our connection is complete, and now we can check off on from here. We can also do go inside the group and also do off on. You can have more than one astronomical timer inside a group. Make sure they are just like in the range of each other, so your phone can talk to both of them at the same time. So this is the final setup. Thank you.